Back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up Lucky VIP Proxy VPN in all countries, all networks for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem while the setup, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be helping you throughout in that particular problem. Make sure that while commenting, you indicate your phone's model or the device's model, so that it can ease when I'm going to be providing with your settings for that particular device. So in the first step, opening Google Play Store. Don't forget to drop a like, don't forget to subscribe. And once you open Google Play Store, you're going to download this application, which is Lucky VIP Proxy. This application provides you with a secure connection. That's why it is on Google Play Store. And I recommend you to use Google Play Store so that you can be able to grab yourself this application. Use Google Play Store, don't use other unknown sources for your own security. So this is the application I'm talking about, Lucky VIP Proxy. Download and then install after open. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So allow all the permissions that will be requested to you by this application, most of those of the notification permissions, and then this is how we're going to set it up step by step. So in the first place, we're going to come right here in the top left corner on those three menu slashes, and then we are going to select this option, which is update notes. So you're going to update the notes and you'll be able to see all those notes. Check OK, and then this is what you're going to do next. You're going to come where you see auto select server, and then I recommend you to choose a server that is near to your country's location, or that is your country's location. But if you don't see that server, or if you are unable to see that server, kindly let me know in the comment section your device model, your network, and your country. I'll be able to guide you through that server so that it can be able to connect, so that you can also be able to access a secure internet in that particular region. So choose a server that is near to your country's location. Then if you are not seeing that server, kindly you're going to use the auto select server, so that any fastest optimized server can be able to connect on your device and you access a secure internet. So that is it. Lastly, we are going to come where you see Wi-Fi and data, and then you're going to come from recommended, because they'll be recommending you some servers in that particular country. You're going to switch from recommended to all countries, and then once you reach all countries, you're going to scroll and look for your country's server. Alternatively, you're going to come, if your country supports the WebSocket, kindly choose this one. If your country supports UDP, kindly choose that one. But you also have a fastest server, which is a UDP server, which is, let me show you that server. It is right here. So if you're in Uganda and you have not yet activated, let me know in the comment section. I'll be providing you the tutorial on how to activate your SIM card. So you're going to come and search all, but let me just put UDP. So I'm going to be seeing all those UDP servers. Now you're going to connect to the first one, UDP Hysteria. You're going to come right here where I have start, and then you're going to press OK. Give it some few seconds, it will be able to establish a secure connection. As mine, you see it has connected successfully. Kindly let me know in the comment section whether yours has connected, but if you get issues while connecting, you can troubleshoot by putting airplane mode on and then off. You can also troubleshoot by changing the devices, enable disable mobile data, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marus Tech and I sign out.